Hello innovators and welcome to the boardroom. This is a second video talking about how you can be able to make your content more searchable. And in this video, I talk specifically about a tool known as Tubebuddy. Let's get those credits rolling. The biggest problem that many creators have is that they create a video and then they upload and then wait for those views, and they wait and wait and wait. That's the reason why Tubebuddy comes in, because you can be able to actually do the opposite. How do you do a video that you know, number one, people are searching for, so it will not be a video that you will struggle a lot with views, but secondly, you can be able to actually get very many views in a short period of time. You will rank high in terms of search, and that's the reason why Tubebuddy is such a good tool. So the next thing I want you to do is go to the first link in the description below. That's where you can be able to download it, and then we go to the next step. Tubebuddy is a tool that you can be able to use in order to help you to find good keywords. So what we'll do once you have installed this, then we go back to YouTube, because you can use this straight from YouTube. What you need to do is go to Keyword Explorer. Now, Keyword Explorer is a very powerful tool. It helps you to know the keywords you can be able to target, so that once you have targeted these particular keywords, then you can actually grow your channel. That for this one, let's say you are a makeup channel. This will really help you. So if you're a makeup channel, what do people usually search for? In my keywords, I can say makeup. So the keyword here, the keyword that has been selected is makeup. Look at this. On my particular channel, it tells me the overall score that I would have. Like, with the size of your channel, how well would you rank for this particular keyword? So the thing that you're looking at here is to get as much of a score as possible. The higher the score that you can get, the better. So with 10 out of 100, it tells me very clearly that this is very bad. If you look at this, the search volume is very high. That means that people search a lot for this particular keyword. The second thing is the competition. The competition is very high. That's why it's on a red here. The next thing is optimization strength, which means that the videos that have been done on this particular keyword are very optimized. But this is what I want you to see. The total number of videos on YouTube that have targeted makeup are 39.3 million. When you see that one, it says that this is a highly competitive keyword. Now, if you're a small channel, the key here is look for a less competitive keyword so that you can be able to actually rank for it. The less competition there is, the better for your video to be seen. We're trying to find a keyword that even if I have a small channel like I do, then I can be able to actually get people to come to my channel, because when they search for that particular keyword, they will find my video. The next is Makeup Kenya. And the reason why we are doing Makeup Kenya is because we are in Kenya, so we are trying to get people who are in Kenya. Now look at what has happened. The Keyword Explorer has given me suggestions of what people are actually searching for instead of Makeup Kenya. People would be searching for Kenyan makeup tutorial, Kenyan makeup YouTubers, Kenyan makeup tutorial for beginners. Now, of those three, I don't know which of them is the best, but let's see. If I try this last one, because it's a little longer. Now, the tip here is the longer the keyword that you're searching for, the less competition it has. People rarely write too many words when they are searching. They're usually writing 2 or 3 words, and those are very competitive. If you're going to 4 or 5, then that means that less people are actually writing it out like that. So let's go to that. Using my channel, and you'll do this for your own channel. This will show you what my ranking would be for this particular keyword. For this particular keyword, it tells me there's a little bit of competition, but this keyword is searched so often, it is worth targeting. Now, for my channel and the size of my channel, if I did a tutorial about Kenyan makeup tutorial for beginners, then my video would probably show up in search. The search volume is moderate. You want something that has good search volume. It is not very low, it is not very high. So the next thing is competition. There is moderate competition. For your channel, this score will be a little different because of the size of your channel and the focus of your channel. Then the next thing that I want you to look at is optimization strength. The optimization strength means how many videos have been done that actually have that particular keyword in it. There are very few. Now remember, in the last one, when we searched for makeup, we saw 39 million videos. Now in this one, the total number of search results, or the total number of videos, are 101,000. Now that should not scare you, because it is possible for you to be able to get ranking if you use this particular keyword. So the goodness with Tubebuddy is that it helps you to know, should I search for this? Shouldn't I search for this? The thing we'll do again is to search if there's someone who has actually put it in their title. Now, if you see this, this is a video that has been done by a makeup artist, and it says beginner friendly foundation routine, and it is ranking number 1 for it. And the next one is, this one was done a year ago. The next one was done 2 years ago, 4 months ago, a year ago. This particular one is ranking not because it has this makeup tutorial, Kenyan makeup tutorial for beginners, but because it has a lot of watch time on it. The next one is done and it says beginner makeup tutorial Kenya, which is really close to the keyword that we are searching for. And it is new, it has 84 views. If this particular creator actually went and called her video Kenyan makeup tutorial for beginners, it would actually go higher in search, and put it in the tags as well. So you see, as you go down, you will start to see the kind of videos that are being done by the creators. So I hope you have seen how you can use Tubebuddy to be able to start searching for keywords.